When you make things in home, you know what ingredients you're going to put it in, and it's safer, much easier to make in home, and it's very satisfying. I'm going to make naan, and I took 3 cups of um, flour, and I'm going to put some other ingredients in it. I didn't have a sugar, the white sugar, so I put brown sugar in it, and it didn't change the color. And I will tell you that how to make it in a minute. So I have the brown sugar. I put brown sugar in it. It didn't change any color or taste. I put salt. This is salt. And I will put some baking soda. This is not baking powder. This is baking soda. It will help to rise the dough. And this is yeast. I used the whole packet, 10 gram of it. This is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any any kind of oil. It will not affect on any kind of problem in this dough. I also use the yogurt. I had half cup, and I'm now using a tepid water. It's not very hot water, but it was like a tepid water. It will also help to soften the dough, and when I make it naan or roti, it will be very soft. So we don't need a very hard dough, and I will cover it for a while, and I put it on the side for like at least half an hour or 45 minutes, and look how it looks like it. So now I'm going to make bread out of it, and make separate small doughs, and then I made it about five naan. Flip it and then use the water on the other side. It will help not to loosen the bread, so when we will flip it, it will not fall off. So I need an iron pan, and I made it very hot. It should be hot enough. You can feel it on your hand. Now put your bread on it, and the sticky part should go on the bottom. Now you'll see that starting bubbling up a little bit. So that's a good sign that your dough, your yeast is working. And then when you see it's becoming transparent, you flip it, and then you rotate a little bit so it can equally cook from all of the sides. So look at these flame is on very medium low heat. Oh my god, it was so yummy and good. I hope you will like my method. How do I make it? Please, if you like my my videos, like and subscribe, and please also share. You can eat it with anybody, and you can also use it other ingredients like cilantro and garlic. I made one garlic naan to show you that how it makes, and I'm also using a very low heat. And look, it turned out so good, and I put some butter on it, and it's like heaven. Oh my god, it was so yummy. I still have 2 left over, and I will eat it with any kind of sabzi, dal, or halim. You can use it with, you can eat it with anything, or you can eat it with the tea also if you put some butter on it. If you like my channel, please like, subscribe. And this watermarks are for just to make it non-stick. Salty water can make it, I mixed some water, and I use water and salt, and it become very non-stick. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.